Imagine two people. Both are 22 years old, both graduate from college, both get the exact same job, earning $50,000 a year. Fast forward 20 years. One becomes a millionaire, the other is drowning in debt and living paycheck to paycheck. What happened? Was one person smarter? Luckier? Did they win the lottery? No. The biggest difference wasn't how much money they made. It was the money rules they followed in their 20s. Your 20s are like planting a tree. If you plant the right seeds today, you'll enjoy the shade for decades. But if you waste these years, money problems can follow you for the rest of your life. Today, I'll share 10 money rules every person in their 20s should know. Whether you're 20, 25, or even 30, these rules can completely change your financial future. Let's get started. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Most people think saving money works like this. You get paid, you pay your rent, buy groceries, pay your phone bill, go out with friends, order food, shop online, then whatever is left gets saved. The problem? There's usually nothing left. That's why so many people say, I'll start saving next month. But next month becomes next year, then 10 years pass. Here's the better method. The day your salary enters your account, pay yourself first. Imagine you earn $2,000. Before paying anyone else, move $200 into savings. Now you only have $1,800 to spend. You'll naturally adjust your lifestyle. This simple habit has made countless ordinary people wealthy over time. Think of savings like paying a bill, except the bill is your future self. If you wouldn't skip your electricity bill, why skip paying yourself? Action step, set up automatic transfers. Even if it's just $20 every week, the amount isn't what matters. The habit is. Rule 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's something almost nobody talks about. Making more money doesn't automatically make you richer. Imagine Sarah gets promoted. Her salary increases by $10,000. Instead of saving more, she upgrades everything. A newer car, a bigger apartment, more expensive clothes, weekend trips, luxury phone. Within months, she's broke again. Why? Because every time her income increased, her spending increased even faster. This is called lifestyle inflation. It's one of the biggest reasons people earning six figures still struggle financially. Instead, every time your income increases, pretend you never got the raise if your salary increases by $500 each month. Save or invest at least half of that increase. You'll still enjoy more money while building wealth much faster. Rich people don't become rich because they earn more. They become rich because the gap between what they earn and what they spend keeps getting bigger. So far, we've learned to save before spending and to avoid spending every raise. But the next rule might be the most powerful one on this list because it can literally make your money work while you sleep. Rule 3. Start investing early. Let me ask you a simple question. If I offered you $1 million today or a penny that doubles in value every day for 30 days, which one would you choose? Most people would grab the $1 million. It sounds like the obvious choice. But here's the surprise. That penny doubles like this, day 1. 1 cent, day 2. 2 cents, day 3. 4 cents. It still looks tiny after a week. After 2 weeks, it doesn't seem impressive. Most people would quit because they think it's not working. But then something incredible happens. In the final few days, the growth explodes. By day 30, that single penny grows to more than $5 million. Now, before you get too excited, this isn't how real investing works. No legal investment doubles your money every day, but this example teaches one of the most powerful lessons in personal finance. Small amounts grow into large amounts when you give them enough time. This is called compound growth. Think of compound interest like planting a mango tree. The first year, you don't get many fruits. The second year, still not much. But after several years, the tree starts producing more and more fruit, often with very little extra effort from you. Your investments work the same way. Imagine two friends. James starts investing $200 every month at age 22. Michael waits until he's 32 before he starts investing the exact same amount. James invested for only 10 extra years. Yet by retirement, James could end up with hundreds of thousands of dollars more simply because he gave his money more time to grow. The lesson: time is more valuable than trying to find the perfect investment. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need to be a stock market expert. You simply need to start. Action. Step open an investment account. Learn about low-cost index funds or diversified investments available in your country. Even if you only invest $25 or $50 each month, you're building one of the most valuable habits you can have. Remember, the best time to start investing was years ago. The second best time is today. Rule 4. Stay away from bad debt. Not all debt is bad. This surprises a lot of people. Some debt helps you build your future. Other debt quietly destroys it. Let's look at the difference. Imagine David borrows money to learn a valuable skill that helps him increase his income. That debt has the potential to pay for itself over time. Now imagine John borrows money to buy the newest smartphone because all his friends have it. A year later, the phone is worth much less. He's still making payments, and another newer model has already come out. One purchase made him poorer. Here's something many young adults don't realize. When you buy something on credit, you're often paying for yesterday's happiness with tomorrow's paycheck. That means future. You is working to pay for something you already stopped enjoying. That's not freedom, that's financial stress. Before borrowing money, ask yourself 3 questions. Number 1, will this purchase increase my income? Number 2, will it increase in value over time? Number 3, if I paid cash instead, would I still buy it? If the answer to all 3 is no, think carefully before taking on that debt. The goal isn't to never borrow money. The goal is to borrow wisely. Use debt as a tool, not as a lifestyle. Rule 5. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, your laptop suddenly stops working, a family member gets sick. These things don't send you a calendar invitation. They just happen. And when they do, many people panic. Why? Because they have no emergency savings. Instead, they swipe a credit card, take a loan, or borrow money from family and friends. That creates even more stress. Think of an emergency fund like an umbrella. You don't buy one because it's raining today. You buy it before the storm arrives. Financial emergencies work the same way. Experts often recommend saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. If that sounds impossible right now, don't worry. Don't focus on the final goal. Focus on the first milestone. Aim for your first $500, then $1,000, then keep building from there. Every dollar you save is one less dollar you'll have to borrow in an emergency. Here's another important tip. Keep your emergency fund separate from your spending account. If it's too easy to access, you'll be tempted to spend it on things that aren't actually emergencies. A weekend shopping trip isn't an emergency. Concert tickets aren't emergencies. The latest gaming console isn't an emergency. An emergency fund should only be used when life truly catches you by surprise. Action steps start today. Even saving $10 or $20 each week can add up over time. The goal isn't to become rich overnight. The goal is to become prepared. So far, we've covered 5 powerful money rules. Pay yourself first. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Start investing early. Stay away from bad debt. Build an emergency fund. In the next video, we'll talk about living below your means, increasing your income, protecting your credit, learning about money, and why relying on just one paycheck could be your biggest financial risk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.